Hello and welcome back to Creative Vibes. And today what we're going to go over is the cast off, or some may call it bind off, of your project. So all that essentially means is you're just going to take the stitches off of your needle and just going to finish your project. So what we need to do is grab whatever your finished project is. You're going to need a pair of scissors and come on back and I will teach you how to finish up your project. So with casting off, you're going to be so pleasantly surprised at how easy this is. So knitting your project is the hard part. Casting off, you're going to find it to be a breeze. Just take your time, do it slowly until you get the hang of it and you'll be fine. So I'm a righty, as I always start these videos out to say. So in your left hand, you're going to have your actual project. So what you're going to do is you're going to knit your first 2 stitches. So knit 1 and you're going to knit 2. Okay. So I'm just pushing it up a little bit with the point of your left needle. Okay. You're going to take this last stitch, scoop it up, just like how I have it here. And even if you got to hold it until, or rock the needle back, you're going to take it off, up and over this first stitch, and just drop. That's it. So we're going to do it again. We're going to knit. So you're always going to have 2 stitches on your right hand needle. Okay, take the last stitch, scoop it up. Sometimes I gotta hold it just to get it to do what I need it to do. And don't do this tightly, just nice and loose, up and over that first stitch and off. Knit again, nice and loose, scoop up your second needle, and see how I'm kind of guiding it with my thumb. Take that second stitch, up and over and off. Knit another. Just keep in mind, always 2 on this one. Grab, up, over, off. Knit again. Grab your second one, up and over, off. Knit. Grab that second one, up, over, off. And you just do this until you get down to your last stitch, up, over, off. Grab second, up, over, off. Knit. Scoop your second, up, over, off. Screw them up. Now I have quite a few on here, so I'm going to speed it up and I will see you at the end of the row. Okay, so we are coming toward the last couple stitches, so we're still going to do the same procedure, the up, over, off. So knit this one here, pick it up, over, and off. So now we're at the last one. Okay, so we're still going to do the same one, same way. Knit. Okay, don't get nervous, just going to take your empty one here and still going to do the same, the up, over, and hey, listen, don't be afraid to hold on to things if you know, you don't have a steady hand, or if your hands are like mine, they kind of sweat a little bit, just hold on to your stitches. And see, you get that nice, pretty braided stitch at the end. Very nice. So you can put that down for now. And you're going to grab your scissors and cut about 15 centimeters. I'm not the best at measuring, so I kind of guesstimate. You're going to cut, because we're all done with that. And now it's going to be okay to take your needle out. Just hold on to your loop there. And all you're going to do is take your end of that cut string. So this long end you're going to use to sew in, but we'll do that on another video. We're just casting off for today. But you're just going to take that loop and do it much neater than what I'm doing, but take your loop it through here. Take your loop, see how I'm looping it through, just like you were sewing the needle. Now that's through there. And all you have to do is just pull, and you are done. And you should have a nice, neat little cast off. It looks beautiful. Have that nice little braided end, and you are done with your project. So I'll do another video on how to sew these in, but that is pretty much on how to do the cast off. So let me know how it turns out for you. And happy knitting, and I will see you on the next tutorial.